Right. So for this demonstration, I have the same setup, my pulleys, my dynamic car. I've got my meter stick here so I can measure the speed of the car. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking these washers. I'm going to put them in the car. And see how much force is needed to get the car to start moving and how the added mass affects the speed. Each one of these washers weighs about 30 grams, 29 and 54 hundredths of a gram. I'll be using those to add mass to the car. Each one of these little washers, which I'll be using to add to the end of my paper clip here so that I can get the car to start moving, weighs about 5 grams or 4 78 hundredths of a gram. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my car set up here. The forces are balanced. I have one large washer on the inside of the car right now. I've measured the mass of that washer. It's 29.56 grams. We're going to be seeing how long it takes the car to go 90 centimeters. We'll calculate the speed later. And we need to know how much force is needed to get the car to move. And so we're putting these little washers at the end of the string to get the car to move. Each washer is about 5 grams each. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I do know that adding just one washer is enough to get this car started. Three, two, one. All right, that took 4 seconds. 4.04 seconds. And I added one washer. Stopwatch ready. All right, I'm adding one washer to the end. That looks like enough to get it going. So 3, 2, 1. Definitely slower. It's about 6.6 seconds. I only needed to add one washer. So we can see here, it's taking the same amount of force to get the car moving. However, the car is moving slower. All right. 3, 2, 1. .56 seconds. You could definitely see that it was harder to get the car to start with that one little washer. But then once it was moving, it was moving pretty good. Oh, look at that. It's a little bit faster. Took less time to go the same distance. Interesting. looks like adding one washer is enough to get it to move. 3, 2, 1. All right, that's more like it. So can't see that. I'll just write it down. 8.1 seconds. I added one washer. So I changed this data point. All right, let's give this a shot. All right, 3, 2, 1. It's very slow. Weird. It didn't even go the full distance. It went 82 centimeters. Where's my pen? Okay, so it went 82 centimeters in 15.78 seconds. And I only had to add one washer.